Eweche moko ni Gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza koro nyalo buonjo bang' to nyalo senators manogo ombulu mar duke APC. Kawira noresi kod senators manogo ombulu mar kiro oko ketho abiriyo mane MCAs ma kaunti ya Meru oredone ni gin ketho ma oromo thule oko APC. Buch Kawira nyoka ondalari e nyim Senate bang' kane MCAs 59 ne othiche oko.
That whereas pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act, on Wednesday, 25th of October 2023, the Meru County Assembly approved a motion to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County. Now, Honorable Senators, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act provide as follows. If a majority of all members of the Senate vote to uphold any impeachment charge, the governor shall cease to hold office. Honorable Senators, the result of the division indicate that the Senate has not upheld any of the impeachment charges. Pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(8) of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order 87 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate has failed to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County. And the Governor accordingly continues to hold office.